Hi all, I'm Shebin Sam of registration number UK 18 CS277. So today I'm going to explain the fifth experiment that would be on JavaScript, DOM elements and events on web technology. So aim is to create and design some web pages that use JavaScript. Description: JavaScript can access all the elements in a web page making use of document object models, DOMs. It creates DOMs of web page when page is loaded. So source code, find the shortest. So first question would be find the shortest and the longest word within the string. So the index HTML would be doc HTML with language English, head meta chars at UTF-8. Sorry. Yes. So HTTP. So meta tab HTTP equivalent XUI compatible content. Viewport, longest and shorter text finder is title. Reference style sheet dot href is experiment5.css. Choose one. So you're choosing index q. So q2.html, q3, q4, q5, q6.html are the links over here to be chosen over here. So for the panel, the longest and the shortest word finder. Enter the string. So there's a question over there. Enter the string. There will be a column over there to enter your string over there, and then there'll be a button over there. You can click the button to find the solution itself. So you can click the button, and the longest word input type would be given over there. Text array, there will be a box over there to show, and the shortest and the longest word, two boxes will be there, and then they will show you which is the longest and which is the shortest. Function find various document get element by ID. Word split. So how the function is going to work, how the splitting is going to work is you'll get the word which you have typed. They split all the words, and then they will take each word variable 1 is equal to word of 0. Then they'll go for loop. For I equal to 0, I is less than words dot length I plus plus. And if words of I length is greater than the perfect length, that is if it's greater than the total length, means L is equal to word of I. So document get element value 1. For I equal to 0, if I is less than word length I plus plus, words I dot length is less than L of length, L is equal to words of I. Document get element by ID, T3 value is equal to 1, and then script body HTML. Now this is a web page. So you're entering the name over there with the longest and the shortest word gets displayed over there. It splits to each statement. So my has 2, name has 4, S has 2, Shebin has 6. So it goes through each word and finds out the longest word. Comparing with for loop, Shebin will have 6. Checks with other words, 6 is the greatest number. Length count, and then they will compare the shortest one, which is shorter than the other 4. So 4 2 will be my. Now BMI calculator. BMI calculator, that's q2.html, is being stored over there. So doc type HTML language en, head with meta cassette UTF-8, meta HTTP equivalent X UA compatible content with name viewport, style sheet href experiment5.css. Choose one. So here also you're choosing, you're giving a set of HTMLs over here, and then you're giving the panel, opening a panel, you're creating the panel with title as calculate your body mass index. Now title by the question over there, with the panel with weight in kilograms, input text ID weight, height is input type, and button one click it calculates the BMI, and your BMI gets written over there, it gets displayed over there with your body type. So function, how this calculate BMI is going to work is like variable W and variable H. For variable W for weight, H for height, gives the element weight and height value, and then the calculation is W by H into 10,000 for variable BMI, and then for variable BMI it will be W divided by H into H also. So document get element score inner HTML BMI. If BMI is less than 18, document get element ID type in HTML underweight. If the BMI is greater than equal to 18 and if it's between it's equal to 18 and less than 25. So if between 18 and 25, it's going to be normal over there. And then if it is above 25, above and equal to 25 and less than 30, means it's going to be overweight over there. It's going to get displayed over there. Else it's obese, means the value is not being present over there. Value is above the weight, above the calculation. So this is how the box is going to get displayed over there with your weight to be entered, height calculation takes place, and here your BMI value with the body type is going to be written, is going to be get displayed over there. Now Q3.html, that is for fruit farm. So the same thing, fruit farm with viewport content style sheet, and then choose the one index.html with all the HTMLs, fruit farm, rows, input type, columns, text, columns, grow, for build, garden, and rebuild. So there are two columns over there. So you can write, put the number of rows and put the number of columns. So there will be two options for rows and columns. One button click for build the garden. So there are two clicks over there. For one button for one click for build the garden. Other click is to rebuild. You can re-enter the number of rows and columns. And then get document, get element ID in an HTML. So how the faction is going to work is, the calculation is going to work is, you're getting the element for rows and columns, fetching rows for apples and grapes, the fruits are apples and grapes, the images have been stored over there, and the calculation is, it's going to be get randomized. So random image, not like with same row with apples, same row with columns, or there's no even or odd possibility. So all will be in a random variables. Random ways the apple and grapes will get displayed over there, and the for loop is getting opened for I and j. I is equal to 1, I is less than row, I plus plus, I is less than equal to column, j is less than equal to column, j plus plus for variable j. Max, so max round, max random variables. So image src is equal to fruits random. So fruits gets randomized over there with width of 50 px, height is 50 px, and document get element d2 inner HTML. So this is how it's going to get randomized over there. Now the currency converter Q4.html. Yes, so for Q4.html, it's meta cassette, meta HTTP, converter, currency converter, style sheet, reference, and then choosing the one HTML, and with the currency converter input type, it two options for Indian dollar, for Indian rupees or US dollars, and then if you want to taking from and to, options both will be there, and one button convert will be given over there. And then the convert function convert, how it's going to work is variable f, variable t, from and to, which are choosing. Selected option selected index or text, and then variable 2 selected option .text. So if x1 is equal to s2, document get it by answer in HTML d plus plus s2. So how it's going to get saved is, if it's from US dollars to Indian rupees, then it will be d into, so answer will be Indian rupees is equal to dollars into 72.55. Else if your answer will be, else your answer will be Indian rupees equal to dollar into 0.014. So output screenshot will be given over here itself. Now we'll go for coinflip, that is q5.html. So coinflip.html, language en, and then view type with header tails, reference explanatory5.css. Choose one, you're choosing any one of them, and then coin flipper. So JP, there's a coins image be stored with width and height, and buttons would be flipping it, and number of heads and tails results will be being displayed over there. So head image and tail image both are joined together, and you can randomize which image like needs to be shown once we click the button flip, and then counts the number of heads and counts the number of tails. Image is being given. Now birthday cake order, same thing, you are calling onto all the HTMLs to choose the one cake order form, input type, then to buy the half kg, 1 kg, 2 kgs are three options for the size of it. So type radio, value 15, name tip checked, yes, and then radio value 25 with one click, submit, calculate order. Cost of order spam ID price. So function calculate will be variable cost is s into 100 plus m into 200 plus b into 400 Tax will be cost into 9 by 100. Cost, so K cost is cost plus tax. Tip will be passed in document selector. Input name is equal to tip checked. And tip cost, K cost into tip by 100. K cost plus tip cost is total cost. And it gets displayed over there. So directly, and then EXpress 5 is where header, tailors, and then all the images details with their backgrounds, with the font size, their colors, alignments have been displayed over here. Just go directly into the program, into the web post. So we'll just go into enter a sentence. My name, Shebin. Calculate. Shebin is the longest word. My is the shortest word. By my BMI calculator, I'm putting my weight as 60. And then height is 1.68 in meters. So calculate will be normal 22.58. Fruit farm. Rows I'm entering as 2. Columns also as 2. Building my garden 22.4. Gets displayed over there. I need to, or I can rebuild it. I can go for 6. Column 6. Build my garden. Yes, so it's all in random. It's not all, in nothing is same. It's all in random. Yes. So now currency converter. I'm taking it from Indian rupees to dollars. Enter value 1000 and then it gets converted. It will be 14. Yes, it's the currency value Indian rupees into 0.014. So 1000 into 0.014 will be 14, obviously. Coin flip. Yeah, flipping the coins. Yes, so the head tail version, see the head count is more count head, so it's all randomized. Birthday cake order. Black forest. I'm going for white forest. Quantity I'm taking it as 1. 15%. I'm ordering it. Yes, so white forest quantity 1. Size medium. Amount is all with tips and is all getting added. 200 plus 18 plus 33 is 251. So here ends my 5th program, that is on JavaScript DOM elements and events on web technology. Thank you.